Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Millennial Finance. This is your main host, Billy Chen, and in today's video, we will be discussing how to make a budget to track your monthly income and expenses in just 3 easy steps. The budget is the foundation of your financial house, letting you know how much money you are making each month, how much you are spending, and how much you are saving. A budget is the key tool in determining how long it will take you to reach your savings and retirement goals and help you minimize your monthly expenses where possible by identifying areas where you can cut spending each month, such as less eating out or a monthly subscription such as Spotify. But making a budget does not have to be difficult. In this video, we'll walk through the 3 main steps to getting your monthly budget created right after this. The first step in creating a budget is to calculate your monthly income. This is 4 weeks of your take-home pay, so what you earn after paying taxes. There are a few online calculators that you can use, which we will link to in the video description. And if your monthly income fluctuates or changes over time, for example, maybe if you're self-employed, you should always try to use the worst case scenario or lower amount for purposes of your budget. The second step in creating your monthly budget is to calculate what I'll call your must-haves. This is the mandatory spending that you must do each month and is non-negotiable. This bucket includes costs such as your rent or mortgage if you own your home, your monthly insurance costs, your car payments or public transportation costs, your utilities such as electric, water, and gas, and finally your groceries. One important note is to remember that groceries does not include eating out, which we will get to in the next section. Think of this bucket as the things you must pay for and spend to survive. The final step in creating your budget is to calculate your discretionary spending. This includes eating out, getting Starbucks every morning, fast food, going to the bar for drinks with your friends, buying clothes and online shopping, and all those monthly subscriptions like Netflix and Amazon Prime. This is the area that most people do not keep close track of, and you should be trying to cut back on. What seems like a small expense, like a $3 latte, can add up over the course of a month. The more you can decrease your discretionary spending, the more you can put to savings, paying off debt, and other retirement goals. There are a few free tools and apps out there that you can use to help keep track and manage your budget, including Mint. Or you can go the old-fashioned way and track everything in a Microsoft Excel workbook. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and go create that monthly budget. We'll be back with more videos outlining finance tips and tricks for millennials by millennials.